Hi guys, I'm Nagadir-chan and I'm going to do a live reaction for One Punch Man chapter 65.1 or 66, I don't know, because numbering on this page is confusing as hell. Whatever. So we start with saddest chick, but is something shaking or trembling? It looks like she looks like surprised by something. Yeah, ground is shaking. Fubuki doesn't give a shit, obviously. What is this trembling? Yeah, I would like to know too. She's closer than I thought. She sensed that I took damage. Her sister? She's coming. Even the guys don't like it. All the heroes. And something in the background exploded. Sadist chick looks really surprised. An explosion? Butt shot. Nice butt. Cars are flying. People are dying. And whatever. Something is approaching. Something scary. She's sensing it. Tatsumaki's coming. What? She might be more than I can chew on. I should get out of here for now. Yeah, Tatsumaki's really strong, and when you do hurt her sister, you're doomed. Wow, it looks really... Wow, the debris are like hitting Sadist chick. Oh, not debris. Those are parts of dead monsters. Nice. And eyeballs. One and Murata. Oh, it's One's idea. Really loves eyeballs. Is that you? Does help me. There is an incredible monstrous being among the heroes too. Suddenly appeared. All of us get wiped out, and wow, he's like broken, his bones are showing, ooh, it looks really painful. She's noticing something. There she is. And she's ascending. Hallelujah. That looks powerful. Even the clouds are like circling around her. She's really powerful ESP. Pixies, I haven't lost yet. But, well, you probably could lost. You go home right now, Fubuki. I'll handle all of it. I love how self-centered and she is on the Salva's team. Here's my order. All of you throw your life away to intercept Tatsumaki. She's scared. Now one of the guys looks really into it because she was like using them. No way, you can't win like this. Well, she obviously could. Who cares? I just need them to buy me time to get away. She's really a bitch. And all of them are attacking Tatsumaki, but she's using her powers. Hold on, sis, they're allies. Right now, they're not themselves. Please don't attack them. Oh, it's still Tatsumaki saying. Yeah, Fubuki. Fubuki saying, and Tatsumaki looks really determined. She's using something. Like, would she really go and hurt them? I just remember the exact last scene from anime. I don't know, it was probably in manga too, how she throwed with Janos and he was like stuck in the wall. So she did the same thing to all of these guys, just pound into the wall and they're like stuck. I even told you not to attack them. There's no other way but to immobilize them, right? And she just had like her absolutely like face when I love when she's drawn like completely just so like scribbly. It's so funny. And she's smaller. That scribble a small thingy. It's so funny. That's not what I call a taken, but it totally is. Well, kind of. And also, stop calling them lies. They're all in your way. I'm actually surprised you're still keeping this B-class fan clip. I'm not doing it for fun. Ah, jeez, she got away. If I did it all by myself, this wouldn't have happened. This isn't the time for small talk. Seems like there are more monsters left. I'm going. Also, so this chick escaped. And Tatsumi is like, oh, whatever, I'm going to have more fun. Tatsumaki. Can you tell them this? At disaster times like this, they're in the way, so they need to evacuate. It's kind of cruel. And Fubuki is like looking up, kind of. Again, I don't know. And that's the end of chapter. So, fight? Tatsumaki goes in, just wins, and just flies over. The end. That was quick. Too quick. Just too quick. But I like it. It's drawn exceptionally crude. But it was too quick, so I'm giving it 8 out of 10. Just too quick for me. And I want more Janus this time, or Charanko. Janus, Charanko, other fights, Janus. But it was cool. But 8 out of 10, it was just too quick, too small chapter, like too quick. But I'm sure in anime it would look awesome because it would be like stuck together, not just little bits here and there. Can't wait for it. Seriously, can't wait. It's good. So yeah, that's all. Tatsumaki win. That's all. She's great. Really great. But poor Fubuki, she's like... probably she could be stronger. I don't know why she's still in B class. Yeah. Like... she actually did something awesome. So yeah, that's all. It was all, really, like, it was really small chapter, sadly. But yeah, goodbye and have a nice day.